time. Anyways, yeah, this, no, I didn't learn how to play, but dude, I got... No one's got any talent. Or wait, or a little right. I don't know. Barely curves. It's pretty straight up. Straight up in the air, bro. Dude, come here. Thank you for the follow, Iron Doll. From our boy. Me a dream. Nah, it's not a hickey. Good play.